This is a review slash unboxing video of this fragrance right here. If you want to know what's in here, you have to stay tuned. Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing amazingly well. My name is Abby and I make videos about fragrances. If you are new to my channel, welcome. It's really nice to meet you, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And to my existing subscribers, thank you so much for coming back, and my new subscribers, thank you also so much for clicking that subscribe button. So today's video, as I said earlier, is going to be about an unboxing of this fragrance right here. This fragrance, I used to have it probably about a year ago, and I just didn't stock up on it because I've gotten to know so many other different fragrances, so I kind of forgot about it. So I repurchased it, so let's get right into it. So I ordered this off of Chanel's website, and the delivery took about 5 days to come, which isn't so bad. And it came like this in this white box, and in here it has the packing slip which shows me who packed it. Thank you, Charlotte. And it came also with this envelope which has my delivery information, what I ordered, the samples, etc. And yeah, I'm not gonna show it because it's got my address details and stuff. So yeah, also it came in this amazing packaging. I actually found this fragrance cheaper on a website which is Boots, and Boots is like a drugstore in the UK. They sell all sorts of like perfumes, beauty and all this kind of stuff. So but because I wanted this experience, I had to get it from the Chanel's website. So as I said, I used to use this fragrance. It's a really lovely one, and because we're in the summer season, we're moving into summer, I just thought I have to talk about this fragrance. So you get 2 samples when you place your order. You get like a variety of like perfumes, creams, mascara, all those sort of stuff, but I went for 2 samples. So I went for the Chanel Chance, and also the new one. This is kind of new. This is new. This is the Coral Mandel fragrance. So I'm not really going to dive into them because they were just the samples that I chose. This is about this particular fragrance, which is right here. I really love this packaging. I'm a sucker for really nice packaging, and it's got like the tissues in there and the fragrance, which is Chanel Chance Eau Tendre. This I got the eau de toilette because I smelled the eau de parfum and they smell quite different, and I prefer the eau de toilette to the parfum. This is a 50 ml. It comes in 50 ml, 100 ml and 150 ml. So let me open it. Here it is. I love the bottle so much. This is a really beautiful, it's a glass bottle with like a silver metallic trimming on the sides, and the juice inside looks like light pink, and the cap is plasticky. I know that the eau de parfum has a silver cap, but who cares? Silver cap, plastic cap is all caps. So yeah, this is the bottle. It's really beautiful, and let's smell the juice. Oh my god, it's so fresh. It's really fresh. Like it starts off a bit citrusy with grapefruit, and it's slightly sweet, just slightly. It's a bit tangy as well. It's really fresh. It's floral. It's floral fruity fragrance, but this is really classy and sophisticated. This is for a really clean looking lady. I can just imagine wearing a beautiful white dress or white top like this one with, I don't know, blue jeans. It's crispy, it's powdery, it's just super beautiful and fresh and not so long lasting. That's the only downside to this. It doesn't last very long, but when someone gets closer to you, they can smell you even more than if they were to be far away from you. The projection of this, it's okay, it's not like amazing, but it's an eau de toilette, and I just feel like it doesn't need to project, it doesn't need to overdo it. This is a subtle romantic fragrance. This reminds me of something that is just really romantic, very soft, very elegant, very just very feminine. It has notes of grapefruit, jasmine, white musk, iris, and cedarwood. I would give the bottle a 10 out of 10 for sure. I would give its performance probably a 6 out of 10, and projection has to be maybe like, I don't know, when you first spray it, obviously it's a little bit intense, but it loses that quite quickly. So I'll probably say between 4 and 5 out of 10 for projection. And it's a compliment getter, I must say. It's a compliment getter. I always get complimented when I wear it. I've been stopped while wearing this, and I think this is one of the ultimate summer fragrances. It comes in probably at my number 2. My number 1 summer fragrance has to be the Penhaligon's Juniper Sling, followed by this one, and then followed by Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense. But honestly guys, this is definitely one of those fragrances that you just have to have in your wardrobe. It's my personal favorite of Chanel fragrance. This is like my number 1, followed by probably Coco Mademoiselle, and then followed by Gabrielle, which I love. Or is that the other way around? But this is number 1 anyway. And yeah, I think that's it. If you've got any questions about this fragrance, do let me know. I do absolutely love the service that Chanel provides. I like how they when the stores were open, the service was just top class, and that translates to the online shopping. I still got the experience. Like, having this in the package was just really thoughtful, to know that this is the person that packed my item and it says with love from Chanel. It's just little touches like that that gets people like me coming back for more. So that's it about Chanel Eau Tendre. This is a lovely eau de toilette fragrance that I would suggest you to have in your fragrance wardrobe. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll surely see you in my next one guys. Bye.